and welcome back to my channel. We're in Premier Inn staying in a Next Evolution style room, and I'm going to take it on a quick tour around showing you what you can expect if you're thinking of staying in one. The bathroom is next to the front door and I'll show you that in just a moment. We've booked a family room and we've got a double bed and a sofa bed, and they can also put a pull-out bed in here as well if you've got another child with you. This is the view from the other side of the room. Now let's go and take a closer look at what's on the table. Desk lamp, plug sockets, both USB and standard UK 3-pin. That seems pretty standard now, no smoking or vaping. So a quick look at the menu for downstairs in the restaurant. I think this will change obviously depending on which Premier Inn you're staying in. Kettle, teas and coffees, 2 cups and 2 glasses. I guess you ask at reception if you need more. In the little pot we've got some tea bags, original coffee. I think I saw decaf coffee down in reception. There's a sweetener, sugar, milk and demerara sugar. Kettle looks fairly new and clean. Bottle opener in case you BYOB. Desk chair, just got like a leather feel to it. But we do seem to be missing an armchair, unless they're not having those in these rooms. Got a large full-length mirror on the outside of the wardrobe. And then at the top here you have some extra spare soft pillows. Coat hangers, there's a hairdryer just through there. We've got some towels. There's a large drawer at the bottom of the wardrobe. On the other side we've got a vanity mirror, coat hooks, little vanity table and plenty of space down here for your cases. And the vanity mirror's got its own light. Quick look at the hairdryer. This one says touch to operate. The beds are really comfortable and I had a good night's sleep. I kept the aircon at 18 and it was fairly quiet and just ticked over nicely, keeping us cool while we slept. If you really like your mattress, there's a little sign that says you can buy one for your house. Next to the bed we've got a reading light, the light switches for the main room and the purple light behind the bed. And then a power socket which has got USB as well. Little bedside table, this is handy if you're going to charge your phone or your medication overnight. On this side we've got a movable table. I'm guessing that's so that you can either have it there, or if you've got the sofa you can move it and use it as a coffee table. And then if I pan up, the purple night light. If you leave the purple light on at night, it makes a great night light for children or for adults who don't like sleeping in the pitch black. The headboard design is new. It used to be either purple or grey leather look, and now it's this purple fabric, which I think is much nicer and softer. Then on the walls you've got this wallpaper which almost feels like carpet, and some neutral artwork dotted about. Full-length curtains, and I think these ones are blackout curtains. And coming round you've got a big sized TV on the wall. This is the new bathroom design with walk-in shower. You've got a waterfall shower head, but there's no bath in here anymore. Got Bayliss and Harding White Tree and Neroli luxury hand wash. And in the shower you've got the same White Tree and Neroli, but this one is luxury hair and body wash. In here we've got a 2-head shower. Little shelf there for your products. Behind the door we've got the towels, and there are extra towels in the wardrobe. And then we've also got a bath towel or a foot towel on the bottom of the shower there. Overall I would say yes, these are very nice rooms. The decor feels very put together. You still get the Premier Inn purple with subtle neutral hints of grey. They're not that different to a Premier Inn standard room, but it is a positive change. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, then please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not watch one of my other videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye.